Hello, welcome to another demo of what Gabriel Star can do for you. In this demo, we'll walk you through possible budget dashboards. In this case, it will be a sales and marketing dashboard. Typically, it's the role of the management accountant to report to budget holders. Having a slick report adds confidence to the budget holders and their belief in the numbers. It makes the management accountant look like they know what they're doing. They know what they're reporting on. This is where this file will typically open. Every month the numbers will be downloaded. The period will need to be rolled on. So this 1 over here will be changed to 2. Then we'll go into the sales and marketing dashboard. But afterwards you could always come back here and click a button and email it to the same distribution list, email DL, or you'd print it and it would print a PDF, keep it looking very tidy, very professional. Let's have a look at an example of how the numbers could look. You'll notice that when I clicked onto this tab, a user form popped up. I'll just move this user form over to the right. On this tab, you'll notice that the user form pops up automatically. This means it's been set to pop up when anyone looks at this page, so you'll always have it there. It allows you to look through all the sales projects that this imaginary housing association has got on its books at the moment. So this year it's expecting some sales at Macmillan Avenue. So if we tab down to Macmillan Avenue, you'll see that over here the blue bar is now highlighting Macmillan Avenue, and the titles of the graphs will change to Macmillan Avenue, and the numbers have been populated with Macmillan Avenue's sales forecast, its sales budget, and its previous forecast. If we went and selected down to Cavendish House, all the graphs have changed once more, and they can all be updated. These graphs can be built to pretty much whatever the user requires. Some people like donut graphs, some people like stacked bars like down in the bottom right, the annual versus the forecast, the full year forecast budget. It can be anything. Some people like speedo graphs. I personally try and stay clear of them, but it's horses for courses, whatever you feel is best. We'll sit down and try and go through what works for everyone. There's also an ease of how we can capture that data information. We just use simple tables. There's nothing too fancy going on here. It's just about being professional when doing it. What I'd look to do, just to the left of here, down by the scheme names, is to create the general ledger code and have an extract that's pulled down from the whatever accounting system you're using, build in some array formula that or a macro that goes off and fetches that information in a standardized format, knows what to look for, and pre-populates these. As you press the period button over here, it will know to copy and paste a value, it will know to freeze the month in which we're up to at the moment, and then fetch some new data. We could have it try and automatically change the forecast. You can have a button that says bring back to next forecast. We could use a hockey stick formula, we could use an S-curve formula, and it's just a way of pre-populating how these numbers would look without management accountant having to do too much manual laborious work. Everything's possible. Obviously it takes a human eye to do the forecast. If you know something different is coming up, you're going to have to manually override it, just like you would do with your standard systems. And that's pretty much it. Just another little business aid that can be done for you by Gabriel Star. Thank you for watching.